Jai Hind everyone, Jai Hind respected UHP faculty members and my dear co-explorers. Myself Raghav Bharadwaj and I am pursuing BTech ECE branch from Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College. So first of all my dear friends and co-explorers, मैं इस सब्जेक्ट को यानी इस वर्कशॉप को एज अ सब्जेक्ट समझ के आया था, बट आफ्टर रियलाइजिंग इट्स not just a subject, it's the life-changing motivation that I got from this workshop. It's not the workshop, it is basically a mirror जो कि मुझे बता रहा है कि what I am, what really I am. जो मैंने सोचा था, जो मेरे बिहेवियर में चेंजेस थे, क्या वो मेरे थॉट्स, फीलिंग्स, नेचुरल एक्सेप्टेंस और संस्कार से गवर्न थे, या फिर सिर्फ वो एक लेयर आउटर सरफेस था? That I got a clear image, and I got a clear image. Like I would like to incite some quotations from Mahabharata. Arjun was a warrior, but Ashwatthama was too. Both were equally skilled, isn't it? Both were equally have a knowledge of what are the weapons and what to use. But Ashwatthama used Brahmastra, if I am not wrong. He misused his skill in order to create harm, in order to create destruction. But at the same time, Arjun, who was very nervous at the time of warfare, was guided by Krishna, as the same guided by our faculty members too. Arjuna was not scolded by Krishna. Arjuna was being guided, supported, and constantly motivated by Lord Sri Krishna. So that clear insight I got. Why we are doing engineering to create something, but what something? Something I got from the insight from value education or engineering consciousness, which is to create something useful, to create what can be a big change for environment or for the whole entity too. I have got the clear insight that what do you mean by consciousness? चेतना क्या होती है? मैंने जाना कि चिंतन करने से चिंता आती है और चिंता बढ़ने से चेतना की चिंता बढ़ती है. That I have got a clear insight. और at the end I would like to say that जो मैंने अपने अंदर गैप फील करा दैट कोई किसी ने भी मतलब मेरे बड़े भाई तो हैं बट दे हैव नॉट गाइडेड मी लाइक दिस. दे ऑलवेज से दैट हो जाएगा, जैसा चल रहा है वैसे कर लो. बट जो ये गैप मैंने फील करा, इसी गैप कोई और फील ना कर पाए टू बी द मेंटर, टू बी एज अ बिग ब्रदर ऑफ समवन एल्स, not someone else but the human to human relation. I would like to transform, or I would like to transfer this knowledge gained by me to the all human being, all the students like me who was helpless at that time. And at the end I would like to say the commitment I would take to create evolution around me, to create a big impact. What students say, आज पढ़ लो कल मत पढ़ो, ये कर लो उसकी बात जरूरत नहीं है, बट जरूरत हमेशा है, काम की नहीं आपकी. That the big thing I have got. At the end, engineering is a hand. Engineer हाथ है, engineering. UHV और consciousness is a heart. अगर दिल और हार्ट नहीं है, तो फिर वो डिस्ट्रक्शन हाथ बनाएगा. अगर दिल है, तो वो कुछ मीनिंगफुल चीज हाथ से बनेगी. तो that's the meaning of real engineering consciousness. Thank you so much for letting me know this.